Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your seller's central and VAT status so ads can run without holds. Next, upload clean product listings with images, titles, bullets, and backend search terms so relevance is high. Once done, set clear goals. Target ACO's percentage, daily budget in AED, and preferred match types. Create a campaign skeleton with sponsored products first. Make sure to map SKUs to campaigns and save a structured naming convention so you can scale and track performance easily. You now build ad groups. Create separate manual campaigns for exact, phrase, and broad to control bids and learn intent. Add top searched keywords with suggested bids. Start conservative and increase on winners. Once you have clicks, analyze CTR and conversion rate to reallocate budget. Use negative keywords to cut wasted spend and add high-performing ASIN targets for competitor conquest. Make sure to run placement multipliers for top-of-search and test product targeting versus keyword targeting to find the most efficient mix. You finish by scaling consistent winners. Bump budgets and bids gradually while preserving ACOs. Run weekly reports tracking ACOs, TACOS, ROAS, impressions, and SKU spend so trends guide decisions. Once done, shift budget away from poor performers and expand successful keywords and ASIN targets. If results drop, troubleshoot. Make sure listings are optimized, prices and offers are competitive, and FBA status or buy box issues aren't blocking sales. Finally, test new creative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.